Ever wondered how much it actually costs to start investing, especially with those fancy micro-investing apps everyone's talking about? Specifically, have you been eyeing Acorns, thinking it might be the perfect way to dip your toes into the investment world, but you're kind of stuck on one crucial question: how much is the monthly fee? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Because let's be real, nobody wants to get hit with surprise charges, especially when you're just starting out. We're going to break down Acorn's pricing structure, explore the different tiers, and help you figure out which one, if any, makes the most sense for your financial goals. Now, before we jump into the numbers, let's quickly talk about what Acorns is for those who might be new to it. Essentially, Acorns is a platform designed to make investing accessible to everyone, even if you only have a few dollars to spare. It works by rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the spare change. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns can round it up to $4 and invest the extra 50 cents. It's a pretty painless way to start building a portfolio without feeling like you're making huge sacrifices. But here's the thing, like any service, Acorns has costs associated with it. And understanding those costs is absolutely vital before you commit. You don't want to be losing a chunk of your potential returns to fees, especially when you're just getting started. So, let's get down to brass tacks. How much does Acorns charge? Well, they have a few different subscription tiers, each with its own price tag and set of features. This is where it can get a little confusing, so we'll break it down step by step. First up, we have Acorns Personal. This is their most basic tier, and it's often the starting point for many new investors. Acorns Personal gives you access to their core investing features, including the roundups, the ability to build a diversified portfolio, and access to educational resources. And the cost? Currently, Acorns Personal will set you back $3 per month. Now, for some, $3 a month might seem like pocket change. For others, especially if you're on a tight budget, it might be a significant factor. So, is Acorns Personal worth it for $3 a month? That really depends on your individual circumstances. If you're serious about investing and you like the idea of the roundup feature, it could be a good starting point. However, if you're just casually curious and you're not sure how committed you are, you might want to consider other options first. Next, we have Acorns Personal Plus. This tier builds on the foundation of Acorns Personal and adds some extra perks. With Acorns Personal Plus, you get everything in the personal tier, plus the ability to earn bonus investments when you shop at certain partner merchants. This is their found money feature, and it can be a nice way to boost your returns without having to invest more of your own money. The catch? Acorns Personal Plus costs $5 per month. So, is the extra $2 a month for Personal Plus worth it? Again, it depends. If you're a frequent shopper at Acorns partner merchants, the found money feature could potentially offset the extra cost. However, if you don't shop at those places very often, you might be better off sticking with the personal tier. It's all about maximizing the value you get for your money. Finally, we have the top tier, Acorns Premium. This is the most expensive option, but it also comes with the most features. Acorns Premium includes everything in the Personal Plus tier, plus a few additional benefits. You get access to a retirement account, a checking account, and the ability to get personalized financial advice. This is the most comprehensive option, but it also comes with a higher price tag. Acorns Premium costs $9 per month. Now, $9 a month is a significant investment, especially when you're just starting out. So, who is Acorns Premium for? It's probably best suited for people who are serious about their finances and want a comprehensive platform to manage their investments, retirement savings, and checking account all in one place. If you're just looking to dip your toes into investing, Acorns Premium is probably overkill. So, there you have it. The three Acorns tiers, Personal at $3 a month, Personal Plus at $5 a month, and Premium at $9 a month. Hopefully, this breakdown has helped you understand the different pricing options and which one might be the best fit for you. But before we wrap up, there's one more thing we need to talk about: the fees. While the monthly subscription fee is the main cost associated with Acorns, it's not the only one. Acorns also charges expense ratios on the ETFs they invest your money in. These expense ratios are essentially fees that go towards managing the funds. They're typically very small, but they're still something you should be aware of. You can find information about the expense ratios on Acorn's website. Also, keep in mind that fees can change. Acorns could adjust their pricing structure in the future, so it's always a good idea to check their website for the most up-to-date information. Don't just take my word for it. Do your own research and make sure you understand all the costs involved before you sign up. Choosing the right investment platform is a big decision, and it's important to weigh all your options carefully. Consider your financial goals, your budget, and the features that are most important to you. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because everyone else is doing it. Take the time to educate yourself and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.